come back to Colombo, guys, you know, it's a girl, Kayla, other known as GPS. And we are here with another banger. You know, Colombo always come with the best video, them, you know. Them are come, you understand? And this movie is called Wicked Stepmother. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out.
Hello. What time you plan for left out here?
I soon left.
What time for your left? You know, say after 7 and 8:30 school start.
I tell me, say me have all time.
You hold up time? Okay, since you hold up time, go wash your plate then.
Me can wash the plate them now.
You have to wash your plate them. Or go wash them.
Mommy ask you for a morning.
That now nothing to do with me. Go and wash your plate them.
I wash the plate on my go to school.
Listen to me. And ask me, I ask you. I tell us if you do it. And you see when I come from school, I eat all the plates. What for that one?
Oh, you don't got school yet?
I your mom got school and give me no money.
Oh, sorry. My fault. My fault. Listen to me. Nobody somebody want me to get the money. I don't send me to go to school to go idle. What me send you go to school to do?
Learn.
Right. And get what?
Education.
After education is what?
Not even know.
No.
So you go to school to learn, get education, and you don't know what after education?
Job.
Work up in your company, you know it.
She never accept the question, right?
Why argument when that's so far anyway?
There's no argument. You get it like
You sure?
Yeah. Go on with where you
Bye bye, daddy.
Hey, one more thing I want to tell you now. You see now you're going to school, right? Hold the head up high. You understand? When you walk in, you hold the head up high.
Hi.
You know me like that. You mean to keep your head high. Meaning to say you know, look back.
Alright, go and go do what you do.
So you're rushing, so?
Go and go do what you do.
Alright,
going for things to do. Yeah. More time.
Bye bye.
You know what good? Yeah, we like the seats are nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Later.
Alright.
Give me money.
Which money?
Give me the money.
I'm giving me lunch.
Shut up. Here. Pay your fare to school. And shut up. It's when you come home, come home. Go collect part lunch. When I go to school, I never start lunch money. Boy, I get $1,000. How is it to get $1,000? I remember say when I come home, I place we tidy up and plate them for wash and your dinner for cook. You understand?
Yes.
You're lucky say I get $100, $50 I should I give you. And I grow you have to be firm as a woman. You understand?
Yes.
And nobody feel like say me not like you. I like you. But go on. Hurry up too. I remember say I have to plate them for wash and food for cook.
Hello?
You say I deal with that now?
My day and my daughter go to school.
So you want me for the forward?
Yeah man, from now.
So you sure say nobody now go there?
No man, nobody not there.
Mommy.
She go to school.
Alright.
Mommy.
Yo!
We're ready for go to school now. Can you give me lunch money?
Okay. When you go to school, me send you. I mean, I send you, figure in no one if a company. And me alone, so just work with me.
Okay.
As people tell me, say I stop a bus talk, and I talk to people. Yes, I wait on company. Alright then.
Later.
One at school, yes, later.
Yeah man, I run them forward man. Yeah man, me have me all of my tool them right now man. I left out. I just send off my daughter go to school and forward. Yeah bro. Oh. Shanice! Shanice!
Yes, daddy.
Oh. You ready?
Yeah. That pop me bag.
Alright. Hey, more you make me proud, you know, girl.
Yeah.
In a real life, you know.
Yeah, me I make you proud this one hot.
Me work hard, you know.
So me must say I work hard.
Alright now,
See
so
me as sick and me still a fight for go to school.
that me love boy, you cause right now, the work come I go on right now, me charge one money right now the money when them a give me I just forgive for go to school. If I never you more do even go on them the work there.
Oh.
So don't let me down.
Yeah.
Do the right thing.
Alright, later.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Stay safe on the road now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sean, you wait this so long, brother? I just saw something happen in the yard this morning. I go, I just go in, because my neighbor, they want to bring me, and I say no, I have two friends, I have to wait for them, because I and them always go to school. Every time I come out to school, and come like I don't even want to go to school. And I like say I don't want to go, I want to go in, but you don't understand what I go through. Where you go through? One bag of something happened in the yard. Ready? You're the next one too. I'm ever late. I'm ever been ready to start turn up and I need to go to school early. I'm make me late, you know. Listen, I'm sick. I'm ready to go on. Why don't I daughter feel like I want to go to school? Why? I don't want to go to school. Why? This morning, my stepmother. $100 in your hand? Yes. You do $100 cannot go to school? My stepmother give me it. You know, I know, say my father give me $1,000. And she take it and give me this. And say, thank God, say, I know $50 she give me. $100. And I come to wash up plate and cook. And, you know me, I got you, you know? I be a butter, she butter me. I can't take it no more. Oh, God. Please, I feel like I want to analyze myself. What? Why not analyze she? Girl, you can't pre them thing there, brother. I bet you analyze she. Real. She not come there come see you. Yeah. Okay. So you don't tell your father? My father not believe me. Tell you, my father just blind to love. I'm telling you, you can't do. It's like when you're there, yard, you put up one look hidden camera. So you video it. When your father come, you show him a proof. So you have proof. So she ill treat you. I'm not use video. Anyway, I mash up my phone. My father work hard, so I forgot school. I can give $500 out of this. True? Yes. So, come on.
Where say I go now?
There, good.
Of course. Could wait to get the call a while ago and call me and tell me say your daughter gone to school, me tell her say I'm happy. I don't your road, me I go deal with something, you know. I'm there on the bike taxi and I have to just jump off so. And jump off a bike and say easy. To come meet you. You know, so anytime you call me, anything what me I do, me stop. I could have up on the toilet me there. Me I run to come meet you.
It's so funny.
No, not do that. I say so, man.
You're good dog.
Joke. Of course, from me feel like you just light up my morning. You know, say sun come out a while ago. And you do that, you know? And you do that, you know?
Yeah, you're up.
So you say, oh, you go on with the idea now.
Me there, man. Me there, go and cool out. Where the pan?
Well, I just say I don't come give you a check what I say. Like how your daughter not there. I wonder if I could go up on the road, but I know you want give your daughter lunch money or so. When I get on 200 US off on work, I do something, I give you 100. Kind of make sense. I talk to you and I can't help you with your problem. Them.
That's true.
But you need to stop you and make your daughter know. Or me, I know, make you know, say, me I step daddy.
Alright then, I make up my mind and tell her.
But just help with the lunch money for your week.
Alright.
I really like how you lock up in the house, you know. You know, like
So
every day me I call and I tell you to go up on the road, you tell me say this one day. You're too beautiful for lock up after you're a monkey. Look how beautiful, baby. You're not to stay inside, if you're outside.
Alright then. Go up on the road then, no?
So you want to go do?
Where you up
Have
to?
ice cream, you want to go up on the beach, go chill.
Come go up on the beach, no? So not.
Alright, no problem.
You're hungry like a dog. You're ever hungry. You never eat this morning? No, sir. Every morning I want different story. Come, let me see what we can buy. Morning. Can get some sweet with them here.
We sweet you one now. Get them here this morning.
We can't get 3. As in like give me 3 different ones then.
Bring back that one here.
I'll give you 3 of them one here. How much for one?
Your money can't buy that, my girl. Come.
Jesus Christ, the woman you dear do, man.
No, sir.
150 you get them.
Cost of living gone up.
150.
Yes, sweetie. 100 for that one, 50 for that one, 50 for that one.
So 25
$100.
I want to see you.
You just say $50, $100.
So $25 for one, $25. 100 for this? Come
Buy
here.
the black boo. How much is the black boo? Put back that, you love too much big things, you know. Put back
Put more to be suck.
You know, come on, no manners.
No manners should not have. Come, can we leave
Come on.
Papa,
Oh, you know somebody over here, sir.
let me see you.
I phone me just crack a while ago. I shop me just not too long ago from her.
All of them in your buy?
Then that's all needed. The skillet and time. Without skillet and time, we can't cook.
So your chicken buy already and everything?
That there in our fridge.
Okay.
Oh.
So you find what you look for?
No, really, me I come over.
Come.
You're good though.
What for do me? You look like something to me?
So, what are you start cook?
What does it?
What are you start
Who
cook?
you talk to?
No,
When a daughter come from
I know
school,
you.
and she go cook. You understand me?
I know you.
The birth and face teeth. Anyway,
I true, my bright and face if it's true.
come go on up in our yard.
Why? I don't know.
So what you look for again?
Nothing. They try to say I could have find some command 4 leg. So I could have tried good
So you
on.
and your daughter eat it?
No.
I know me, you and your daughter go eat that, you know.
They carry good on so I see I can let them walk some because wood upon you so you soften up your palm, you know. But I say go,
look what?
can't find it. Nothing, never mind.
Stress out, man. Papa, you're just in time, G.
Hey, everybody just a find this, so how are you going?
There, man.
Carrying this with me. Carrying this for me, please.
Oh, okay.
So how are you going?
Anyway, you know what I say? I want to work my day for go on today. But right now, man just call me and tell me, say, yo, it have to go put off till tomorrow, so you don't get no cement. And right now, between me and you, we're broken up, Papa. Is the money me I look for, you know?
I tell you the truth, I want dig $1,000 me did have this man and me give to my daughter. I don't want to see that.
5 bills.
I just go to a shop and go to the local skillet and time the way you see.
Differently, you know what I say? I see how your woman deal with you, I'm not so love you, Papa. Papa, I want to make sure I deal with you, so Papa.
Well, she I take care of my daughter still, so.
But,
anyway.
Yeah, Papa, come on, Papa. You know, say she not take deal with the girl good either. When day me come over here, the way me hear she a go on for the little girl wash like a plate. Me is a single father, you know, Papa.
No,
if me I go take up one woman where I saw she have to go deal with my daughter, for me say, yeah, me have a woman, Papa, I rather stay single.
No, man, she not really do that. She a good mother. She a play a good mother.
So my ears there now work, Papa.
Me no know. So,
the way me see in demand authority over you just now, yes, so.
No,
yeah, the man.
No, in just must, you know, you have to look at manners.
She feel like a man as your man, Papa.
That's true, but sometimes you know the flesh, you can't do without the flesh. So
if you ever you that suffer it out, you have to make sure deal with your daughter better, Papa.
Alright, I'll talk to her.
Papa.
No,
man. Go talk to her, no, Papa.
No, man, I'll talk to her. I'm going there and jerk up her and say, listen, I want to deal with my daughter with respect. So, don't worry your head about that, man.
You have to do it, you know.
I say, I'll jerk her, man. If you give him the trophy.
Papa, you remember when we go to school? But say you're the baddest boy in the class, you know, Papa.
Yeah, but them days, them don't know that, you know. I second them days now.
Yeah, but you have to still have a little dominance because me no want to go here say, yeah, she over here kill your daughter with liquor and you can't say nothing. Else you get a lick too.
True.
Yeah, so you have to kill it down for you, so.
Alright, don't worry. Not take care of that.
You get it?
No, not yet.
Alright.
Not yet.
Walk funny.
Alright.
Alright, General.
What more deal with it?
Yeah, man. But dig the road, because I must find something, you know.
Well, if you're my friend, not easy at all. So, babes, you really coming, come sit down.
Oh, you want me to do? What else you want me to do?
Look how money me have if tell me that I go to school and I don't really have no money, you know.
So that affect me. When me used to go to school, I never used to get money, you know.
No, you can't do that, man. Come on, I trust me, because it's a long time, you know.
So we are trusty for? Me this and I got shop.
Because me name one, don't look at money if it's send me that I go to school. Yeah, move so.
Oh, me a move.
That's simple cooking.
Right now, me hungry, you know, and you need to go get something for me eat. And that me I tell you.
So you can cook the food before she comes?
No. You think me a girl that has no soft soap in this? More one time she grow up in her future and have a man, no man can take no step around. So
No soap, no
like
soft
how man
unless...
take step on you like you idiot.
No soap, no soft unless a body wash. Some don't know what you talk
Me
about.
hungry, so what you get for me eat right now?
We don't really have it, you know.
So what you try to say?
Cook.
Who you talk? As a matter of
I
fact,
mean, me talk.
you see lunch money we have for your daughter? Give me. Give me money.
No go feed, no go feed.
Go feed, come give me now.
What have me tell her for me?
And what you have your pan?
You know, sometimes you have to have a little sympathy, you know. And my
Sympathy now what?
my friend don't like how you cheat, and I cheat my pitney either.
So how me a treat you and treat your pitney?
You cheat
You feel glad to have somebody like me in your life and take care of you and your pitney. Look at you. You think you have a steady job? You feel glad to me sit down here with you?
Oh. So that's why you abuse me then?
And that's why I abuse you. I truly love you. And I love your daughter too.
No love, no gross. No love. Because if you did love me, you'd cook. Yeah.
You feel say I love go?
Yeah.
Oh, you think me a your maid?
I don't made
Huh?
a way to a man heart is chin stomach.
Yeah, then me not cook only per time for you and it catch your heart. Eh?
Then the time now when I used to cook stew peas, I feel like I told me till today. Yeah.
Oh, so you want left?
No, I never said that.
Oh, I think you did want left.
Never said that. I would never. I love you. I love you, you know? But anyway. Later on, you put your foot them in some nice warm water, soak them and scrub them down for you, and polish it up. Then if you go on a nail shop, come in and the money then. We can do it myself. And your ear, keep it same way so for the rest of the month. But,
The rest of the month?
yeah, mama, surprise you in a holiday.
So me if you wait till holiday for me ear do? My ear do by next week. Right.
So girl, you're not up for evening class?
Oh, me?
Yes, you.
You must be mad. And then my stepmother go fit to say a man he had better me. Not up no even.
So you really not up?
No, stop. I just want to talk about weapon. What on weapon? Taxi you not take? Or what?
No, anything you want to do with the pan.
What do me do? Me have weapon taxi. More me yard more and go. Me can't bother.
But then, what kind of stepmother that you have?
So I ask you something, if you stop at evening class, what gonna be the outcome?
She go think say a man yard me gone and she all cuff me. She
Yeah.
not afraid.
I'm sorry no, but no stepmother now come rule me in my father's house. You're
Me
mad?
can't take you know. All to them in a class, me not even can focus properly. 2 + 2, me never remember see a 4 until now.
Here,
Me get one big old dirty F.
I see you
And
gone
in
slow.
English. You know, understand the type of stress that me I go through. I through you now go through is Shanice.
But anyway, is it true we know how your stepmother's take out take herself and make a guy your yard?
The girl don't make you but I'm head at her.
Alright. Then we'll take taxi? Hour. Alright, we have a taxi here soon.
Me can't bother me just a keep. Matter of fact, me not take me not wait for the taxi. Let's walk.
Okay.
Me can't bother with
You really a walk, girl?
me have to cope before she.
Remember your grandmother streak?
Me have to read.
Yeah, but there with you now.
No,
Slowly
man.
and slowly, me I go tap her with you.
So nobody now cuff you.
Nobody can rule me in my father's house. You me idiot?
Don't tell me you could have walk one day in my shoes. I don't know me.
No, me not walking at the shoes there. There. Evening.
Evening, you know I said they were coming for go up on the man, them a tell me say tomorrow.
Right now, I need no money for you to go to school tomorrow, but I try to get a thing from him still. Because I tell him, say, if I want 1,000, I have to go give me. So if anything,
I forgot to go to school tomorrow, you know, come here exam.
Yeah, man, I figure it out, man. How school today, though?
Was okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For real, man.
But I feel sorry for my friend Kayla.
What happened to Kayla?
See, her stepmother not treat her good. I have to walk with her come up because she never have no money for pay no fear.
You wouldn't know, say, Kayla, she know. Papa and daughter, you talk?
Yeah.
Alright. You know what Papa you do for fix for them thing. Anyway, go and go
You try not to take up no woman, you know, because no woman not come in and can rule me.
You're not worried about that, my daughter, man.
Because before she ruled me, my girl could catch me.
So you catch him for that?
Because she not can rule me.
But I got to take off your uniform, man.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man.
I'm not listening to the girl like an early trunk. I really have one.
Mommy.
Where you, mommy? Where you there, mommy? Where you, mommy? You know why your mommy? What? You know why your mommy? What time? What time?
I think 3:15.
And what time is school over?
3 o'clock.
So you just a reacher, eh? Or you just a reacher?
My mother want me walk.
Yes, at school over 3 or 1 of a reacher. So you hear what me say? 3 or 1. Me not busy. Ah! Me not busy. Look what the time your daughter just come in from school. Look how long school over.
Where you come from?
Go down in my mother
Man, yard.
No, Daddy, want me walk.
How you walk, you walk. You're supposed to reach at 10 minutes early.
Then you want me to walk. Now that was 15 minutes late. I want me walk, Daddy.
Alright. So you're seriously not cook?
You mean if me seriously not cook?
I
You
still
please you drop me, did I make? Alright, watch the drama what got me in this house now. But if me did I wear pan her. Who else me for wear pan? Somebody else they have to cook? Eh?
Cool. It's all
Cool what? Cool what?
You don't have to cook.
You're there all day. You should have cooked yourself.
She will cook. No, she will cook.
And hello, miss. You dirty plate there while wash, so if I'm like you need to go change up.
So she will wash the plate.
Yes. Why your problem? Is there a problem?
Kayla, we can't help you. You have to go wash and cook your man.
Mommy.
Which one?
Yeah, me just reach one.
What is
Yeah. I'm supposed to tell you.
What do you know? You get bad grades?
So, not like that. You know me a good girl already. You know me have my problem. One of my friends, them, man.
Just when I start talking to my daughter. One of my friends, them.
So now, I recently know me realize she now. She now focus on him. She tell me say she have one stepmother who are ill treated. I'm a feel sorry for your mother all give her $100 for go school. Yes. Sometimes we have to buy her lunch, give her money for anything which man. You know what? We are friends. So we're not gonna make she really feel too bad around me. Like how she when she at home, she not really have that support from her people them. So you know we are a good friend, we have to support her. Yeah, so we kinda feel bad for her. Even though you know that sometimes
Well, really feel bad for her or something, but there's nothing we can do about it. Either she get a counselor and she talk to somebody big about it. Let's go and take off the clothes up your dinner in the kitchen.
Alright
Go
then.
and go rest.
Yeah.
Alright, my daughter.
Daddy.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, man. I saw earlier when you come.
Yes. I can get my lunch money for go to school, please.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
You still up?
Eh?
You still up?
No, I'm not see the Lord yet, but it's just that, what time lunch get school or break?
Lunchtime, 12 o'clock. When I get break time.
Oh, you don't get break time? Alright, here we go. Go to school, right? Because me not no cash for me. I would have to go to the machine and drive. And as you see me here, I straighten up the plate and I wake up the yard. So you go to school. Even if it's 12:30 come, it's still up on the way I come.
And then you now come that you say last week Wednesday.
Last week Wednesday, me forgot and stop a bar. But this time, I not stop at no bar because a card me have. I never stop a bar.
And then I can't take this no more, you know. I want to talk to you differently too.
Oh, where you look for? Where you look for?
You look at Miss America.
So you look for her. She lost?
No one she hear me and say, Daddy. Daddy, you
I'm pregnant, you're pregnant? So you know why she here?
That's she me I tell you about.
Oh.
Daddy, you need to talk to her, Daddy. She abused me. She no want good stepmother.
No, good one that, you know see. When she there, me see you come in on time most of the time. You not have no man. Imagine if me not no woman in the yard. You not jump, see if you have to nail up all the window. Me have to nail up all the windows.
Because she tell her to do it, Daddy. Everything she tell her to do, you do. Yesterday she bat abused me bad. And every time I come home so late, like 15 minutes, and because she take away $1,000, $100 and go to school with.
So make you $1,000?
Yes.
I make she take you away.
I never make she take you away, I never have no choice.
You never have no choice? Why never multiply your choice?
And you never multiply choice. When America taught me a village, she will bounce me over.
Listen, do like your daddy. Grab her and choke her.
No, do that. That I no want you to take my life. But you need to talk to her if it's true, Daddy, because she a gallant too bad.
Alright, we're going to look into things.
I mean, I watch up no plate, then I come back, you know. I watch up plate from last week, I mean, I watch up no more.
Let me ask you a question.
I mean, I wash her dirty clothes, them.
Let me ask you, I'm not business about you and him and the clothes, because you don't have no sense, you shouldn't wash it. Because then the big old jars, they were full of too much shit pit tonight. You shouldn't even wash them anyway. You want me here to know. Don't complain about the plate, because you eat out of it. You understand?
Can't wash this all the time, Daddy.
No, you wash it, not teach you something. You can't trust people who wash your plate, because they don't wash them good. If you want to go in your belly, you make sure you wash yourself. You hear me I say? You can't do some of them sleeping at their house, and when they get up, you see curtain they are grown, dirty plate there so, and the things them chaka over there so. You don't like some of them. You wise up yourself and get up and do your duty.
What I mean I do, Daddy, but Daddy, when me I focus on this work here, then me go to school, me now learn now. You know, so yesterday me in a class and say, I'm stressed out. Me see pan one paper say 2 plus 2 how much? You know how much me put pan it, Daddy? 2.
Yeah man, you put it right one because that's 2 and 2, so you just put 2.
No, it said 2 plus 2. It named plus, I did 4 for good, Daddy.
Oh, 2 plus, oh man. So what equal?
It equals 4.
You're right, you said 2 plus 2.
Equals 4.
Okay, good.
Daddy, me I got school for me late.
Learn good, eh?
Yeah. You come here for choo-choo?
Yeah man, me come.
Alright, come here. I'm hungry.
And remember, no white plate.
What do you mean by no white plate?
No, not take no white plate.
Daddy, you give me money for take taxi, no want me to walk.
Oh, God. What? You call me phone.
That's crazy. I said the place look different a long time. I mean, I come up here, you know. But me just say me have to come check me. Brother, cause a long time I don't see him. Also, I look nice. Why place look different, though. I look breeze and blood and all that. How is this?
Uncle.
Oh God, me look nice. Oh God, man. How long me not see you?
Yeah.
Hold on, you come here, some man. No, man. Hey, now what I feel like, hey. Me and your uncle see you, you know. You
No,
go big, you know.
uncle.
Hold on there. Hold on. Oh, you lose so much weight, man. What you stressed about?
Show me don't even want to talk about it.
No, man, I can't look on you, man. You're not supposed to stress something about. You have mother-in-law over there. You have your father over there. And you go to school for go learn and you learn. You still do good in school?
Not so
No,
good.
sir.
Me, I get some distraction at home.
Hold on, my little niece. Talk to me, man. You want to talk to me?
Alright.
Take your time and talk to me. What I'm here now?
You see, Daddy and this woman there in America. That's my stepmother.
You see a big belly woman?
Her belly kind of lose a
You
little
lose
bit.
weight? Yeah.
You see, she not talk but abuse me.
Lord God Almighty, Jesus Christ. No,
Treat
me
me
no.
bad.
Hold on. Me hear what you say, but hold on. Come in, tap down my bar and get a one drink. No, what you say?
Me say, the woman what they over in America, the top beat me, she beat me go and she beat me come. Me say, uncle,
Jesus Christ, girl. I want your neck. I look in. Jesus Christ.
he had jet me up, everything.
Father, Jesus. So what your father say?
My father does fool for, my father not no sense. I
Me know say your father ain't kind of fool from where I go to school. So no sense. No, hold on. So you not tell him?
Me tell daddy and daddy see she a beat me and daddy not say nothing. Daddy just blind to
No, sir.
everything.
Your father see. The lady a beat and your father not say nothing and ask you what's the problem, why you get beaten, and you not say nothing.
You see, yesterday I go to school. I see in the morning that they give me $1,000. She take back the money and give me
$1,000 in them time, yeah?
She take back the money and give me $100 for go to school.
$100?
I have to walk home from school. I'm just 15 minutes late, you know. 15 minutes late and the woman
What time
beat
is school
me.
over?
3 o'clock.
I reach home 15 past 3 and he beat you? No, sir.
Beat no go beat
No.
come. I can't
This
take
a
it no
care
more.
down with family. And your father did and you not say nothing?
All him a say, look girl, where you come from so late?
You know, say me, you know why there are 2 reasons why I come check you. I say I want to talk to him for a long time, I see, but the biggest reason I want to say it to you, because I want to say it to Papa. Come here, say, in the street, I've grown in the circle, say you plan, like you talk. I don't know if I true, it's a let say you plan for take your one life. Not no, sir.
Yeah.
So the stress you go through, make. Oh God. Oh
All you
God.
stay there, me
Oh
not- all
God,
you
my
stay
daughter,
there.
man. Oh God.
Yesterday me in a class, me don't even know say 2 plus 2 I did 4 where me did stress out.
What you say?
I'm in a class, me see on the paper say 2 plus 2 how much? And me put 2.
So much it takes how much?
2. Me did
Jesus
confusing. I can't take it no
Me
more.
can't see so you stress car and you feel like oh God, man.
Can't take it no more.
Your father over there?
Me over there.
Where you go now?
At school me I go.
You go to school and so much lunch money you get?
Me not get none this morning.
Father God, you
And I give me none.
You know, so I'm a partner, I go show you now. So I have to go tell the lady, say, police, stop me down the road. And I have to give him $1,000 because I have one knife. Because I lie, I have to go tell him about.
You know if you tell like uncle.
You know, so you're smart. You're smart, you know, that's why I love you. But listen, don't worry about the lie. You have to tell a good lie if it benefit you. No, make. Put this in your pocket. Understand?
Thanks.
You put that in your pocket. Me I go talk to your father. You have no local friend at school you can talk to. Come.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Hey, you what me I say now? Before me go here. Nothing about it, analyze yourself. Nothing about nothing like that. Here, you see what you go through right now. Me I go talk to you like a workplace pa. You look up. Me nah this him in front of you. Honor your father, honor your mother. But you see right now more you pray, more you talk to somebody. And nothing about them things there. You see me? All the way you go through now, you see next year or next year after next year it will benefit you. Just learn your education and take your education here.
Yeah.
Go on to school, man.
Uncle, don't make she hear here. Because she will beat me. Don't make she
Jesus
hear.
Christ, Father God.
Don't make she hear.
Alright, go on to
Yeah.
school later, here. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, look more. Father God. Look at me, look nice niece, man. Don't tell me so up, hey. Me know say Papa ain't fool and him go to school, but me feel like he go big and get little sense, because sense I give you all about. Supermarket, club everywhere. Jesus Christ, Father God.
Oh, this is when I look so.
Every day you're afraid skin up like you smell shit, brother.
What do you catch up your head back?
Put her head. I'm sorry, I'm not even being my jail for help.
Come now if you come on. What me to you? You must tell that me a man in time for you come.
Me not lie, me tell you that you for true.
What happened?
Sometimes I can't talk to you, Shanice.
Me tell you, say, there is no way you're gonna make a woman come in here, part of board house, so have AC and all those things, and make woman rule you. You're idiot.
I talk to you.
You tell yourself you kill her in her sleep.
You look more sensible than she, yeah? You know what I know, say after yesterday, I say, Won't even walk with me. You never have no money the $100. When I reach home, I just reach home 15 minutes late, you know. The woman come and beat me. Me say the woman jape me up like say me a daughter. One bag of something.
See that the car back?
You see, I eat
When me
that.
go the car back.
You two your father say.
My father come around and cuss me and say, why me come from work so late? Why me come
So
from
that
school?
mean your father pick up your stepmother.
Yes. And then this man me talk to daddy about it. Your dad go look at me and say, I'm me a the idiot.
But I had the idiot for true.
If you do like him and jape her up.
If you jape her up,
for true.
Me can't take it no more. Me tell me a plan for do. Me a plan for go.
Me no want
jump
hear it
off
no.
of a
I
bridge.
feel foolish you ever come to people that
Why you not say? Why you not say? You plan to push one pillow over her head at night time.
No, me tell me I go do. Me I go jump off of the bridge where they near school.
When you jump now,
You know
walk
what?
with me.
Come.
You see, you know no sense. But I have to tell you, say, stop
Me know
being
I hear them
idiot.
nonsense here.
You can't make woman come in your father yard and I rule you.
I don't understand. No, I go through what me I go through.
You want to come live with me?
My father now make me live in no bad. My father for go to school go take education. Me talk to my uncle this morning and he say he want to talk to my father. So probably my father will listen.
Your life sad. Come.
Bad.
Jesus Christ, man. I want pussy now.
No, man, you don't lick your puss, man. You gotta do that, sir.
Popeye.
What happened here, umbrella?
Long time no see you, man. Good.
What happened here? What happened
Long
here?
time no see you. Popeye, you walk on now.
When me see you, no problem. You know.
Popeye, me not like the street. Cause you see the street, you hear things.
Yeah.
And you see things. And here now, me say things not good, Popeye.
What do you mean by things?
Me just want to go to school with the dung, so Popeye. I work me again. I just want to go to school with the dung, that's up. And if you go to school with the tell me say me need to want to kill himself. So I come to find out what I want. What I want me need to want to kill himself, Popeye.
Murder herself.
Eh?
Me don't understand what you're trying to
Me
say.
just reach a bar down so now, down a Praddy. And one girl in the bar called me, beg me $100. Me give me $100. He say one woman over here beat off me look niece.
Nothing like that.
Eh?
Nothing like that.
I want to see me niece now, come on, talk to him to find out if I true.
You gone to school this
You gone to
morning?
school?
Yeah.
You sure say you gone to school?
Me saying Ghana, me this man in pass.
Listen what me I say now. You know so when me I go to school, me know say you have all the sense. No.
No.
But watch you now, no. Internet, social media, sense I give you everywhere, you know. So you really want to know make you... Where you man there?
She no man.
Yeah.
She not do nothing bad, man. She take care of her, she do her right, and she put her in the right
Me know you
track.
say woman a beat me look niece in front of you, you turn up and answer
no,
on Popeye.
no, me not see that. Me not see that. You know beat it. Me not tell you the truth. Me not see that.
You know how much lunch money me give my daughter? $3,000. How much you give your daughter?
How much you get that?
$3,000. How much you give your daughter?
$4,000.
4,000. Huh? $1,000.
Right there.
Father God. Papa, you know 2 bills to go downtown for a taxi.
Yeah,
How much you got sab?
2 bills.
2 bills. How much you come back? So that's $800. So Papa, what $1,000 can do?
You use the $200 buy lunch and then come in back on dinner.
Papa, you don't love your daughter again.
Yeah.
Papa, you don't love your family again, Papa.
Yeah. Brother, nobody with that. Nobody with them balling. Them can't take it right now. I want me to have me game. Where you want me to go? Teeth?
Papa, you really make him a beat me look at knees, Papa.
No, no, bit. You want me to call her out?
You know, so if you act like you're a big man, me I read as a big man. Where you call him for? You know, say nothing happen. So why the people in the street at
She a lady at your house.
The lady up the so guy church and you me shami attack, everybody attack. Oh, you not hear it? Eh? Oh, you not hear it?
I don't know. I forgot time to come around there. I don't believe that.
Papa,
Sometimes-
me don't like violence.
No,
no.
I'm not teach you something. You see, you can't believe girl picking them nowadays. You see, when they don't like your woman, they will tell like for that. Someone want to see for me yourself.
So, Papa, oh, you know, say your daughter not like your man. Why you not like him? A kids, you know.
No, sometimes, you know, them, whether you're there with their mother than other
When last you
woman.
kill out your daughter?
Well, I'm going to tell you the truth.
When last you kill out your woman? Because me see you want him pass 1 year downtown. You know.
Few
And you
times.
not kill out your daughter.
I'm not sure with that.
You know, so when I used to go to school, you used to be the warrior. But me, I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. But me I tell you, I go warn you know, I take what you say right now, because I don't want to listen to the street. I say, Papa, I can't fight, you know. But you see, if me yes say you lick your daughter again, what my niece, I feel you pick me, you know. But me I go fight, you know.
I never let
What me say me I go do?
No, we are going cool. We have a drink. We not fight. We not fight. No matter what. We not fight.
Good. Now go in, and one more thing. Me name fling off no pussy, no. I
How
think
me,
me
I mean, me know me.
You're so
pussy.
You're smart.
Me not no pussy.
You're so you're brighter when you go to school.
But me a play dumb.
No, you see next time when we fling, are you talking like you know?
Insurance in there. Insurance in there, man.
One more thing. You know, say me say, I know me see so. You see it's straight, me I hear things. Me hear say your woman I give your bun. I know me, Papa, listen. I'm
No,
see,
wait.
Papa.
What?
Papa. Me see so. Me hear say your woman want me sister in law. When him not like me, I me not like him. But me say I give up. Me say I give your bun. Papa, Papa. I know me see, Papa. I know me see so. You have proof? You have proof? Watch it. Papa.
Alright, me not tell you.
Later, Papa.
Yeah.
Papa. Don't have cash and carry myself sense down there. Just link them. Much
Down there?
for, yeah.
How much you want?
It's cheap, man. It's cheap.
Alright, so we can buy 5.
Alright. No, 6.
6?
Yeah, later.
Alright, me add one for it.
Yeah.
Babes, come here. Come here, babes. Give me bone. How much you there? Your
I
long.
can't talk about where she there. Yeah, pick up plugs.
Huh?
Yeah, pick up plugs. About where she there.
No, baby.
Oh, where you want?
I'll tell you something. But
What do you?
more, you tell me the truth. You love me?
Of course, me love you. Why you think me there with you?
You sure you say you love me?
Yes.
You sure you say not catch and have other man out the road when I have no place?
Listen. If you talk to me, you stand up and talk to me. Why you talk with the head round this so?
No, me ask a question. Just answer the question.
Stand up and talk to me.
You're sure you don't have no man in no house and you just a catch with me and you deal with them?
No, me no man out the road.
So how me just here say you give me bone?
Who tell her that? Who tell her that?
Nobody knows tell me.
Who tell her that?
My birdie.
Which birdie tell her that?
You just know say.
Which birdie tell her that?
Yes, my brother come here a while ago come tell me say you step and give me bone out the road.
Your brother.
Yes.
You know so your brother don't like me, so you go come here and tell her anything. You go tell her everything just to make me your mash up. You know so your brother time.
You're right, you cook?
Yeah.
What you cook?
We cook mackerel and rice. Why you never want that?
You know me not eat that.
How that me do feel for this morning?
Alright, you wait though. Just take over the mackerel out of the pot and wash off and dip in some flour with some seasoning and fry it for me.
What?
Take back the mackerel out of the pot, dip in some water, rinse off the mackerel, season up the flour, dip in it and fry it.
Who go do that? You crazy? Me not do that foolish day. That's when I done work in yard, go and go do it. And by the way, some
You not
clothes
sure?
down there for wash.
When she come in, she wash them. You can wash them,
Alright.
you yard already.
Me are going there so. What's your problem?
You can come report, right?
No, not to them, I'm tired. They come period.
Every day they come for your period, and when you go come and fight, when season dry up,
Dog, you know what I'm saying? The boy if you work, him come like him man a joke with my money, dog.
This me I run from, you know, brother.
My man a joke with my money, dog, bro. You know, so I page him well early this morning. Feels the material ready and everything, so work can go on, so I keep my pocket can heavy.
So you know, say I buy cement.
You buy what? A foreign woman for buy something there and he come like him and the woman na arguments and the woman a if and but.
Brother,
and
if I
but
joke
with my
thing,
money, dog.
if I joke thing, if I make we go look one different talk up on in a brother, cause this year hold me up in right now. Me have my daughter for go to school, brother. Right now I miss Jackie me borrow $2,000 from me give her something for it last night and I give her $1,000 for go to school this morning. I usually $2,000 me give her and $1,000 just to cover her fear, you know. I know you.
I'm feeling weird to dog right now. I wouldn't be alone me having a name. So me I got take you and go and make myself.
First down, my first my rose.
So what Angela can do? You can't do nothing for me, so what you do?
Just start that.
Bro, I tell her
But
about that.
one mackerel, how much you mackerel?
I don't mackerel on dog. Them food that out there right now. Right now you work on me and put in, me now get the money out of it. It's like me I work for you, sell myself I work dog. Me work
Then
for
I show you my youth.
dog.
Jano, so when he say it already, cause right now, brother, different what me feel like go looking at brother.
He man say tomorrow. He say man chop back me woman and go down there.
Tomorrow again, brother.
That me show me here tomorrow and 2 days straight now, dog. So like me say right now, if this now up, bro, I feel like it's time to move, you know.
You fi just say word, brother, cause right now this work can fresh me, brother.
I show 1 piece of money dip on it, dog.
Brother.
Cause I know say if we get that out there, we have a good for you on 2 months straight, dog. I just
Me was shopkeeper, me was Miss Jackie over here, so me was taxi man. So me I go get it to pay them.
dog, I don't know. But if tomorrow forward for show, dog, and I hit, we have to just find something. Or matter of fact, we even can start look for it now.
That we get something today. If I ever a half day hustling, we get today. Can back up a thing, you know.
No joke about
in a
it.
real life. Right, now my first in a brother, believe me, you know.
I believe you take me on July, I can't say nothing, dog. If you want me now, I straight me now.
Sometimes I wash all clothes and find all 100 or 250 or even 5 bills in there. Just show me know that I wash so much clothes today. Just to check them and then nothing like that. No money like that, brother.
You don't find none for sure?
Nothing.
Yeah, wash
So right now, it come out free, me wash my clothes them for.
Yo, it come like rain and a drop on the dog. Me can't afford to go to a doctor, so me make you walk, you know.
The right thing, brother. The right thing. If anything come up, you shout me still.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Boy, I did my first me say, yo, beer get worse and worse.
Good evening.
We are tell Evelyn.
Good evening,
Will you tell us about Evelyn? Huh?
Evening.
What me send her to school for?
You know, since go to school,
What me send her to school for?
feel learn.
Okay. So why you go to school and you not learn?
Me I learn.
What you learn say? What you learn say? What you learn say? And the teacher tell me say you not focus in a class, Why the teacher tell me say you not focus in a class, Tell me. Why the teacher call me what? Somebody ill treat you?
No.
Somebody ill treat you? You're unhappy? You're not comfortable?
When you be me, expect me I go learn.
So them you worry about? Them you have to make you firm for tomorrow. To make you be a better woman of tomorrow. You understand? When you go to school, if you take your book, what you think your father give you money for? Figure where you see?
No.
When you go to school, what you have to do?
Learn.
And focus when you go to school.
Me have focus.
Anyway, you dirty plate them for wash up. I remember say bathroom no wash. The bathroom for wash. So if I'm like you, get up, go wash the bathroom. Get up. Come on, do it fast. Idiot.
Good evening, Daddy.
Evening.
I want to talk to you about something.
No. But I know problem at school, you know.
No
Grades them
problem.
good.
Yes.
The teacher send me for me for now.
Teacher sent for you yet.
Yet.
Remember, the report card you come up and something. Listen to me not jump up so.
No. When you say you want to talk to me,
You can't.
you panic.
You can't go down to Papa.
Papa. I go down to Papa, I go do.
Because Kayla want to analyze herself and say she's stressed out. We there in a class today and he's zone now. Teacher question him in a religious education class and she gone.
Hey, me talk to Papa and me tell Papa I say, yeah,
You
and his
go down
stepmother. Yeah, me and Papa I talk one at a time. Papa I say he want to fix things. And he say, he want to check out it. And
You see yesterday when we come home, I'm already reaching 3:14, she reaching 3:15. But we walk and you see she journey long with this, sit down for 1 2 minutes. And the she said, man beat her.
For?
Because she come in 15 minutes late.
I'm not 15 minutes late. The school over 3 o'clock.
Yes, and she said
I
she reaching by 3:05. But I walk, I remember I'm telling her. She get 100 there for go to school and I give her 500. And my mom that's why I didn't carry home no money. And they never have no part lunch.
Why? Sounds stressful. If me get fit seat, Papa again, me talk to him about.
Yeah, talk to him because She talks so she go analyze herself in a bag or something.
No,
She not focus.
She needs some real supervision. She need mental support because when you see them talk
You
things
can't put her up.
You see, me can hardly feed you already. How me I go manage that?
But she go suppose tomorrow me go in the mirror so she's no longer available.
God forbid. Not even think about that.
But her PH she talk about
So when you said to her when she said?
and she said she was good on her sea go turn under the water and she not come back
But
up.
you smart, me grow you smart. What you tell her? Say you not motivate her, forget that out her.
Tell her if you put one pillow over her stepmother head.
I know good motivation that neither. She go homes.
Then it better she go homes. Nobody not go beat her the day.
Why I don't know what to say. If me get to talk to Papa, I will tell him. I want to make him know say his daughter have some suicidal thought when he forget rid of. But you can't tell her say kill his stepmother. I say,
So me fi tell her.
a 6.5 dozen I see him problem.
So you want me to tell her to analyze the father?
Nobody know fi analyze. Me just
But
want you motivate her, forget that out her head. Just help her to pray positive. Look on the brighter side.
Me go try.
Yeah, my daughter, try.
Alright, me go change.
You hungry?
Yeah.
You get $100.
No, keep it $100. Me go look for sugar and water and fried dumpling.
See bread there, you can take 2 slices of bread too.
Alright, me go change.
Alright. So I know, Papa, you feel like a father.
So feel better. Alright, one more.
Babes! Oh, sorry.
What happened?
They are. I'm going to stepdaughter. You good? How you look, sir?
She's sick.
I did come out of school for come pick you up today and up on the bicycle, but when I did come out, I see your friend then turn up, so I look at him and say I could do 2-3 rounds, so I did just pedal off back. I did just speed off. So you say I'm
I'm not tired.
Oh, you do a lot of house chores today?
Yeah, because I feel good, so you know, so I have to move around.
Well, when I can call me and tell me if you come help you, okay, you know, so me clean up the place and make sure I say alright, you know.
I don't want to stress you out with that, man.
You're mad? Say so, man. But, I say, to them grown here and your daughter at school and I tell them I'm grown up to pick her, but I never know say she and her little friend then go to school. So I'm growing up on my bicycle, I tell them I feel shame. I just turn back like I never run them there go.
Because I see her with her friend there.
Yeah, because I don't put her in the bar and car, come home. Because it's rough still. I so get a vehicle for me. Speed off, ease off. Or I drive off on the toll. I regularly carry my bicycle on the toll still.
Very cool.
So I love give all heap of problems still. So go do something.
And I talk more about
Yeah, sleep. Yeah, you're not hearing me say? Oh, alright, you're good then. That's it. But we'll go do something.
What should you say?
That take long,
My
brother.
first kill ever take so long, bro.
Now I kill them with the writers already.
No, at 8:15, brother.
But that shit take so long.
No, she not call nobody. I forgot to say her stepmother mash up
Take
her
my
phone.
phone, real. You know, dog.
They are wait same way still.
What time?
8:16 now.
Right. By 8:20, if you
Me not turn up so long, you know. Me not turn up so long. Next minute me gone. Oh.
What could I really wrong with Kelly? You know Kelly normally the rightest already.
Maybe they not the money.
But girl, normally them give Angela no money, bro. Normally them give $100 and we more buy our lunch with our school.
You're not closer than me, no, so you feel kind of figure out.
I don't know what I go do, bro. Me really don't want to do. I know, dog.
See there, yet you know.
You know, yes. I don't think I can stay no longer.
So we had to go to school and don't know if she alright or nothing.
But bro, remember I forgot school now?
Alright, come on, go to school. If anything, when I come back,
Yep. First class.
Yo, me J.
Oh man, that's on you. Sun look hot right so tough.
Good news alone, I can't take it on me J.
Oh, I mean, bad news and I'm not all beer, but you're a going. Link time man. We have some work for Derek with man. So active. That's why I'm come link him early. We ain't there like they asleep. No, I'm forward to you, man. You work active, man.
So tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning, early.
Right. So you agree to 10 grand or because I don't like work for no 5 grand. I tell you, I just fear that, no brother.
You agree, man. You agree.
That is it, man.
So right now, life looking well.
Tell you to blow.
Yeah, man. So you do differently.
But there I want breadfruit, I run a back a chai pick.
You have breadfruit still. What do you mean chai pick? You can pick breadfruit?
I try a thing. Try a thing, you know, say, oh, that boy then gone or something.
I don't see one.
Nobody fi call and beg go shut up.
So that. Yes, cool. Alright, we on. But that me come to tell us so you man the money active, so just leave me early, man. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I come pick you up, man.
Yeah.
Alright, my G.
Fine. Papai.
Hold on.
Papa.
Hold on. Come on. Watch out. Where is it?
Me can't raise up on the road, man.
No,
Me can't
man.
What me?
Can't reason yourself now. You're so kind of too much.
Your girlfriend a bail out of door?
Yeah. She a bail out of door.
So me can't belong back to you, man.
Jesus Christ.
You walk this, man.
No, walk this. Where are you? No, come on, sister. Can't have your man.
So how me see your woman yourself?
No, man, mirror did it. Mirror. You don't know, mirror can peek from corner.
You know, so me have a feeling say you don't want me in your yard.
No, say that, brother. No.
I got a feeling that come in my mind look while, you know.
No, say that, man. Where anyway?
I'll try to imagine.
No, so you want to find a woman, sir?
No, me I say my baby, me no want. If me I turn around, you see, where Papa, you are going now, Papa. I'm in niece, me come check, man. Oh, she a do?
She a do good in her school. Very good, excellent.
You know, so me name tell her this. You know, so me circle in school what year, and they say now come to school that often.
No, man, that's a lie. That's a lie. Even without lunch money, she go to school.
Papa, when you go to school, why lies?
Aye.
Okay. Say me go up to school and the teacher say, the little girl now come to school that often. And me I tell her the teacher.
Well, I think the teacher can you not tell lie.
Thank you.
Right.
So something goes up, Papa.
I give her lunch money most of the money.
How much you give him? 2,000 or 3,000?
I tell you already before. Sometimes 1,000, sometimes 5, sometimes if me have 15 in the year.
Papa, you check my daughter. You not sit down and talk to him and counsel him. I say she not do good. You see him lose weight. You see him get mager.
No, me not in the time. Me have to work. Me have to make money. That's why me get a woman put on a yard so me can work out and make money.
But you have time for your woman?
Well, you know, so we need look sweet in the night. You know
so
that.
Your daughter no need look comfort for him father. We can run to him homework and him.
That's why I get
ask him how school.
That's why I get a mother. So the mother can teach her, show her the way, make she be a grown woman.
You forget a mother and the mother not like the little girl.
Me
just come in a lane look a while and you tell me say yo the woman all a beat you and a fight you and you sitting there.
Who tell her that? I know I rap me and I rap, man. Most of the time I rap me and I rap.
So you and him and Papa?
Yeah, we rap rough.
Jesus Christ. Where you go now, Papa? Where you go now?
Well, we need to go on the road and get some cologne for some body works and some roses and them.
Papa, I don't want to do my niece, you know.
No, man.
That's why I come check upon you every minute, you know.
My daughter good.
She good?
Yeah,
You're
man.
sure?
A PA she get.
Papa, I want you. Hold on, there's a chat about it. You go pick up a report.
Yeah, man. PA.
You go pick up a report.
Yeah, man. We see.
How much thing in get out, how much fit in a class? Papa, you lie, I tell you.
No,
You're
man.
a bright boy and you should have just and tell me that right away.
No, listen, 33 in class.
Listen to me, I say, Papa, listen. Go for the report. When you get it, how is it name again? WhatsApp or
No.
send it come give.
You know, so we make a mistake when time we didn't rate the yard and we go light it. Let me see, them a burn half a
What you
good.
light?
Me report, man. No.
You light a data report?
A mistake. Me only see them a just shut off and me say, watch ya.
Papa,
Good old them a
me you
win.
can't live good, you know. Me you always a fight. Me never win a fight, but me I will tell you something. You know me dream last night? Papa, me dream say, you see if my niece not do good in a school and it's your fault. I dream, you know.
No, man.
Papa, I dream, you know. Suppose me dream say you're out burn down with the wall of your clothes.
No.
Suppose me dream that, Papa.
Rebuke you back.
Papa, me wake up and out and me
Dream
dream, you
anything,
know.
but not the house. Dream anything.
Find a report.
No, you can't find me till you're ready. It burn off. You just burn.
No worry yourself. As me tell you, me love my niece and me no want nothing.
And she come first, you know.
And he come first. Alright, me I go see him look more.
First, come.
A matter of fact, give him this, tell him to buy ice cream. 1, 2, 3. Hold on there. Let me tell me give him $500.
No, man, that can't buy ice cream.
Give me to buy ice cream.
So when you...
I'm seeking you put on it. So that means that you finna give him 100 or 200. Give him not to buy ice cream.
This time buy ice cream, you know.
Why can't I buy
And Nestle she eat.
So how much for that?
About 2,500.
2,500?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. God. I'm not sure my father yet. Alright, you do. Put the rest on him. When you pass, me get rest. Me I go up on the road. Remember.
Put the rest on him. Oh. A chicken tip me. Cause now go give me back. Well, anyway, we get a 500 still. You think you might get it?
When your brother did out, let's talk about.
So you hear when him come here?
When your brother did that talk about?
Family issues.
Oh.
Back in the days, what?
Because the no sign of coming in yard there. Because any of they come in yard, me I put you and your picnic out of this house here. And that me I tell
So
you, what's our fear house.
Oh, you're most so strong.
I'm not supposed to be strong.
Oh, that's true.
Eh?
I got the mistress.
How are you dress up so good ago? Where you go?
Huh?
Where you go?
Oh, me and the boys them go have a drink today.
Oh, so you just tell me that. You don't know, so you tell me that last week. You should have
Is
tell
it
me that
true?
from last week, said this week you go somewhere.
But it's true, every night you beat up yourself for you know, for the little woog. Yeah, it memorize your brain and lick out your back. So you only remember about the hook. Every night you want hook. You know, so me go. You know, say for a weekend me drink. You know that?
I forgot. I
Okay.
remember. But anyway, do what you do still. Or we are look fun.
No, look on the belly if you tonight, you know.
No, coming and breathe for you. Your crosses.
What kind of crosses you pick up in there? God help me. Oh.
Good evening.
Evening. So you
So
look
look
happy,
so.
sir?
Them not most happy.
You know hear nothing at all.
No, I'm fear.
You know hear nothing while going to school. You know hear nothing.
No,
But not say nothing to you.
no.
You know that. Why
Wait,
come like you?
this looks serious, wait.
Of course it's serious.
What happened?
So you know see your friend in their school today.
Kayla.
Papa and daughter, so she name, yeah.
Yes, we did their bus stop and wait for her and she didn't come, so walk away.
You go on now. I know say you're a good friend and thing.
And she had the breed,
But I did breach, yeah, breathe.
but she was sick.
No.
Ah,
She left out to go to school this morning.
Charlie car,
No.
bus car,
No.
bike him.
And then I licking it.
In drop down?
Seeing herself.
What?
Your friend and herself. They say it's a tape.
That tape.
Members of Coloring Book TV always are the great. And people who made it to the end of this movie, you understand, wicked stepmother. Thank you all for watching. You understand, as Mr. Coloring Book TV always there, I put the best foot forward. And what we are trying to deal with now, I try to go on 2 movies a week. You understand? So I try to do the best to make sure I get 2 movies. So as I realize, PFS film same way, if I don't go over the same way, I don't see Puppet and over there go and do it right. So as I realize, me and Papa just try to put out the work same way. Maggie film same way, jamming with Richard Brown films, One Nation. You see, so people, you know, say, we do business on the channel also. So if you have a business where you like to promote, you know, so you can hit the number on the screen, 799-2758. And that number is for business only. You understand? Now say a fans can call and heal me up or anything. You understand? Because you know, say uno make with the yes. You understand? So, but differently, that number, if you don't have nothing good to say, as my grandmother always tell me, if you don't have nothing good to say, you lock your mouth. So if you want to do any business, you want to promote anything, hit the number on the screen. And remember, if any fans out there like to donate to any one of us, any one of the actors or actors, or even me, the producer, anybody you want to donate to, just contact the number on the screen. But there you go and put in the work. Coloring Book TV for the people and only for the people. I'm out.